Hi and welcome to Coding Life. Today I'll walk you through on how to create a bootable USB stick on a Mac and to use it as Kali Linux Live. Go to kali.org/downloads. If you don't know if your system is a 32-bit or 64-bit, type uname-m in the command line. Select the correct system type and start downloading. This will take some time. Before putting in the USB that you want to make bootable, type the command disk-util list to see the current available disks. This way we can easily recognize the USB when we connect it into our Mac. Connect your USB stick and make the same command again, and you can see that your USB has been added in the list of disks. Now we will unmount the USB with the command disk-util unmount and your disk's path. If you, just like me, already have partitioned your USB sometime before, then you need to use the command disk-util unmount disk instead. Now make sure that you are in the same folder that you have your Kali Linux ISO file in. We will create the disk image by using the dd command. With typing sudo dd if equals your Kali Linux file name, of equals path to your USB drive, and the block size equals 4. And I want to remind you that this process can take a while, so just be patient. Now we've created a bootable USB with Kali Linux on it. Restart the computer with the Option key pressed and you'll get to the correct menu to start Kali Linux. If you liked this video and want to see more videos like this, hit the subscribe button to get notified when I upload the next video.